you can see that the nose is snatched, but you're not seeing just line on my nose.
Boy, I've been watching you.
Hey all, welcome back to my channel. It's Pamela here. So today's video is going to be a very detailed tutorial because I'll be teaching you guys how to apply your blush, your contour and your highlighter. I see that a lot of people still struggle with this thing. So when you have me, why? I'm going to hold your hands and teach you like a baby. So this is basically beginner friendly. Okay, so let's get into that. So I've just prepped my skin off camera and equally applied foundation on my face off camera. Okay, but if you don't know how to do a skin prep, that shouldn't be a problem because I will just link a video for you in the description box so you can go ahead and watch that because I've done skin prep several times on my channel. Okay, so it shouldn't be a problem. Next thing is to get our contour, to apply contour on our face. And for my contour, I'm using a foundation. This is Avoir and the shade 35. What you need to know is that anytime you want to apply your contour should be one shade or two shades darker than your foundation. Is that understood? Okay, so when you are going to, I'm going to show you now how to place your contour. Okay, go in with a flat brush on your forehead area like this. You can go ahead and just put dots if that will be okay for you. Then from here, don't just go and place, follow, this is the technique here from the beginning of your ear. That should be your guide. Okay, you place little product, or less is more. Don't go and pack everything because if you pack it to blend it out to be a problem. So you just place, okay, a little here. Okay, leave the nose for now, and you can go in with your damp beauty blender, please, or your brush, anyone that is okay for you. And I like to blend with my beauty sponge. Okay, now we are going to blend. When you are blending, so you push it in. Okay, we shouldn't see a demarcation between your hairline and the contour, no. So blend properly. Can you see how it is? Do you see how it is? Very seamless, smooth. Next is we are going to add our blush. So to apply your cream blush, you can use this is the palette I'm using. This is from my cheek palette. I've had this palette for the longest time. I use it for my lips, I use it for my blush. So we'll go ahead now to mix two colors. Okay, pick. Normally use my hands to mix the colors. Let me use red and yellow, and let's see. Okay, it's not bad. Now you can use your hand to place, you can use brush to place, but now I'm going to use brush. Say blush. I'm going to use brush to place. Okay, where are you placing your blush? On top of your cheekbone here. So let's do that. On the other side, please stop coming. Your blush should not reach here. It should not reach here when you're applying it. Okay, now we'll go with our damp beauty blender again. This is the side we used for contour. We're going to use the other side now, this side, to apply it. You blend upwards. Okay, and blend it into the contour. It seems this is too small. I'm going to add more. I'm going to add more blush. I don't like, the thing is not giving me what I want, so I'm going to add more. The other side, you blend. You are blending upwards. Okay, now that you're done blending, the remaining one on your beauty blender, use it and tap the tip of your nose to just bring warmth to that place. You see how it is. For highlighter, you have to go with two shades. one that is very lighter will be for the inner corner, and the one that is a bit darker, okay, will be for the outer part. This is from LA Girl. This is in the shade Toffee and Found. Okay, I'll be using the first one, the lighter one, for my inner corner. Take a little and place. Okay, do you see how I'm applying it? Don't come and be doing like this. The other side. Less is more, please. There's no need of packing products. They're not giving award for the best person that packs the most concealer. Okay, now we're going to go ahead now to use the darker shade at the outer corner. A little to just lift the eyes on the other side. Now we're going to blend using our beauty blender. You can use brush, anyone that you are comfortable with, but I like going in with my beauty blender. So we're going to press. Don't rush it so you get what you want. Can you see it's coming together? Let's do the other side. Because I'm teaching you guys like a beginner, okay, I'm doing it like people that are in primary school. I'm going to now go ahead now to apply my highlighter this area. Okay, then here and a little here. We are going to blend. Can you see how smooth everything is? Are you seeing any harsh line? No. We are going to go ahead now to do our nose contour. For your nose contour, this is the kind of brush you'll be using. If you guys can see clearly, it's flat brush but it's angled. Okay. Now you pick your product, remove excess. Okay. Start from here, beginning of your brows. Gently. The other side too. Now you can go ahead and remove excess product from the brush so you can blend properly. Blend it into the eyebrows. Blend, so you don't want to see harsh lines. You want your nose to be snatched. That's the essence of contouring, but you don't want the mark to be showing that everyone will know that, okay, this is where this contour is passing through. You don't want that. Now you're going to use your beauty blender to blend it into the contour. You see what I'm doing? From here, you push in. Can you see how it is? You can see that the nose is snatched, but you're not seeing those lines on my nose, if that makes sense. For setting of the face, you can either use your powder puff or your beauty blender. So I'm going to use my beauty blender to pick a product. When I pick a product, I dust off excess, okay? So it's just be like one layer on the beauty sponge. Then I go in and press. For setting, you are pressing into the skin, okay? Build it the way you want. Until you're satisfied with the result that you want to achieve, you can now stop. Our advice, please build it layer by layer. That will help you achieve a better and clean result is when you are just when you are setting your under eye, use a powder that is lighter. Don't go and use the dark shade under your eyes. I don't know what you want to achieve because your aim is to brighten your under eye. I don't know what you are using a dark powder to do. You can see our under eye is so smooth and soft. We've achieved a good result. Now you're going to go ahead and place your powder on another area. Then your jaw. Can you see? We're going to go ahead now to use a powder that is our shade for the entire face using a fluffy round brush. For powder contour, I'll be using an angle brush, but a bigger one. Okay, from the same palette, I'll pick a bit dark shade, not like it's dark, dust off excess. The same place you applied your cream contour, that is the same place you apply your powder contour. It's not that hard. The other side. Then push in your forehead area. And that is that for powder contour. Now moving over to our powder blush. This is how the blush is from the Charm Ageless. Pick with a round fluffy brush. Pick. I'm mixing these two products. Please, this is pigmented, so don't just go in straight after picking it. And if not, you look like Ojuju Calabar. I'm a Barbie girl. No, you don't want it now. So all you need to do is dust off excess, and you see the other side, and the remaining one you just apply on the tip of your nose. Okay, remove the excess from the brush so that you can blend properly. We are going to go ahead now to bake. So I'm using this Sacha Butter powder, Sacha Butter setting powder, and this normal powder, white powder. I'll just mix it together to set my under eye because I want it to be like bright. Okay, so I'm mixing. I'm going to go in with my beauty blender. Now, you know that I said setting, you press. Baking, you are just placing. Okay, this is what we'll do. Did you get it? We're going to do it on the other side. I'm going to go ahead now to finish off the look, and I'll come back and show you guys the final look. So for my lips, I'm going to go ahead to draw my lip. I'm just going for a nude color to complement my eyeshadow. Since my eyeshadow is just popping out already, I don't need another bright lips. I need something to tone it down. For my lips, I'm going to use this color of nude. Okay. I'll go ahead now to gloss it. Done with my lips, I'm going to go ahead now to spray my face. For highlighter, I'll be using this from the Charm Ageless. This is how it is. I'll pick a product, dust off excess, and then place. The same thing I'll do on the other side. Then I'll just use my hand to take a product little, remove excess, then on the tip of my nose, and then on the bridge of my nose. Yes, can you see that? Yeah. And this is our final result, guys. I hope with this video you've been able to learn how to place your highlighter, your blush, your contour properly, because I try as much as possible to go into details to explain what I know to you guys, and I hope you guys find it very helpful. So please don't always forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell to get notified anytime I post a new video, share to your loved ones, comment, give it a thumbs up, and I'll be grateful for that. Okay, and you can as well drop what you want me to do next in the comment section. I'll be there checking it. See you guys in my next one. Bye. Mwah.